Hi there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much for watching 80 plus new and stylish long braid hairstyles for black women. You'll find simple African braids hairstyles ideas right here as you watch on. You'll find so many unique long lengthed braids hairstyle ideas with variations of designs and finishing. We want you to always look good and get that standout hairstyle look, especially as the Christmas season is just around the corner. We want you to know that these hairstyles exist, especially if you love maintaining a long braid hairstyle look. Go right ahead and share your thought on our comment section. Feel good and look good. Our videos always aim to serve as guide for you whenever it is you want to make your new hairstyle look. You're sure to find adorable, lovely and amazing braid hairstyles for yourself right here. Whatever the finishing is, whatever the look is, you're sure to find something really amazing right here. Go right ahead and subscribe, leave us a like, share your thoughts, and of course let's know how you feel on the comment section. It's very important. Remember also that we have similar videos like this already up and running. You just need to stop by, check them out, and of course know what to choose. Thanks so very much always for coming back to watch our videos. Till tomorrow, take care and bye.